Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here today. My name is Karrie, and in this video I will be sharing with you a extreme budget-friendly bedroom transformation. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this video gives you lots of inspiration and motivation to tackle your space. Alright, so here's a quick overview of the bedroom before I got started, and just to give you a quick backstory on this project, this is going to be for our friend Cole. Cole and my husband actually met through work, and they became really close friends, and at some point during conversation he found out that I wanted to start doing makeovers for other people, so he asked if I wanted to work on his bedroom, and of course I said yes. I was really excited to transform this space on an extreme budget and just kind of challenge myself in a different way. This is the first time I'd ever done a bedroom makeover for someone, so it was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. So as you can see, the first step is just clearing out the bedroom. I had to get his old mattress and frame out because we have a new one from Sienna Sleep, so thank you to Sienna Sleep for sponsoring today's video. Sienna Sleep offers memory foam mattresses, headboards, bases, and so much more. And the best part about Sienna Sleep is that everything is super affordable, so it'll fit for anyone's budget. Not only was Sienna Sleep kind enough to send us a new memory foam mattress, they also sent this beautiful button tuft upholstered headboard and bed frame. This bed frame is made out of metal and wood, so it's nice and sturdy, and it's so beautiful. This headboard and bed frame is $3.99, and I am just so impressed with the quality and the price tag of this product. I love how it was packaged. Everything is stored in the back of the headboard. How cool is that? I thought that was a genius design, especially if you live like in an apartment complex or two-story home, or maybe you're someone who moves a lot. Being able to store all the little pieces in the back of the headboard is just super cool to me. So I really love that, and this did not need any additional tools. Everything needed comes right in the box. Once we got the bed frame and headboard put together, we're going to go ahead and open up the Sienna mattress. So all you do is slide the mattress right out of the box, lay it flat on your bed frame, and gently cut away the plastic, and it will slowly start to expand over time. This 10-inch memory foam mattress has 3 foam layers between a top cover and a bottom cover. So its 5-layer construction will give you the right combination of comfort and support, plus you will get a 180-night home trial to make sure that it's perfect for you. They also offer fast, free shipping and returns, and there's financing available if it's needed. So if you are looking to get a affordable memory foam mattress, make sure you check out siennasleep.com. I will have their links down below. Okay, so now moving back into the project, once we got the headboard and the bed all laid out, the bed needed time to fully expand on the first night. So while we were here, I did as much as I could just to save me a little bit more time when I had to come back the next day to finish up. So I put the nightstands on either side of the bed, and the first thing you will notice is the new layout. So instead of the bed being shoved up into the corner, it is now centered in the room, and I feel like that just makes a huge difference in the way a space looks and feels. And since the layout did change, this shelf had to come down in order to make room for the dresser. So he has a whole nother room that he uses for all his clothes and stuff, so I just took that shelf in there instead. And then I'm going to clean off the dresser and move the dresser to that wall. Now that all the furniture is in place, I'm going to go ahead and play around with some decor, and I found these photo frames at Ollie's for $6.99 a piece. They are pretty large, so the matted area, the part where you put your photo, is an 11 by 14. Unfortunately, at Walmart, the poster machine was down, so I ended up only being able to print 8x10s. So to save the day, I bought some white poster board, and I will just be adding my 8x10 frame or picture right to the center of this frame, and then adding that poster board behind it, and it's just going to create a larger matted area. And in my opinion, it really elevated the look of these frames. It just made it look so much more expensive, and I love how these turned out. A little bit further out. A little bit more. There you go. Okay, now this one loop here needs to go on the outside of that.
Oh my god, that looks good.
Okay.
What?
Yep. Maybe like this.
Damn. See, I wouldn't have even thought about that.
I can hire y'all as my crew members. Around and like making over rooms.
Yo, we might not need side jobs, bro. It's fine.
The curtains I got are from Walmart. These are the Mainstays brand, and they are about $15, but they come as a 2-panel pack, and they're blackout curtains as well, which is something that he did request. So when I hung these up, I always go above the window, and I try to extend the curtain rod on either side of the window as well. This just makes the whole room appear bigger and taller. And that is a great tip to do if you have a window that's kind of in an awkward place, like maybe it's not centered of the room. If you extend that curtain rod to give the illusion that it's centered, it will look really good. Moving into the next day, I had to work on the bedding and all the finishing touches. So this first bedding set is from Walmart. This is a Deer Foams Cozy Comfort queen piece set. I originally purchased this to use the sheets out of it because it was cheaper than buying the sheets individually. So I got that set, and then I also purchased the Serene Slumber 6-piece set from Ross. This one was $44.99, and I loved it so much. It has a very beautiful linen look, but it's also reversible. So if he wants to change the look of his room, he could just flip the comforter over. And it's always great to go with more of a neutral comforter set. That way you save money in the long run. If you do want to change up your style, you can simply change out the color of your throw pillows or throw blanket, and that'll change up your entire space without having to go out and buy a new comforter every time you want a new style. And this Serene Slumber brand comforter is extremely soft, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I want one now. It is so beautiful, and it has this really fluffy linen look to it. It's just so pretty, and I decided to use the white side just to kind of break up some of those gray tones. I also wanted to point out that instead of having to buy new lamps for the space, I used lamp bases that Cole already had, and they were super cool looking, so it just worked perfect. But originally he had red lamp shades on them, so I just replaced those with a matching set of white shades, and it made the whole room just feel a lot more calm and cohesive. All right, it's time to add some art to the walls. So to do this and keep it on a tight budget, I used the really inexpensive frames from Ollie's, and then I just had Cole send me 2 of his favorite photos of him traveling, and he did a great job. I am so impressed with the pictures he picked out. First of all, they match really well, but they're 2 completely different places. I thought he did a killer job, and these look so professional. So I got both of these frames on the wall. And I am using picture wire, by the way, so if you ever kind of struggle with the 2 hooks on the back, add some picture wire. It'll save so much time, and it's a lot easier to get everything level. Okay, so I will admit I messed up a little bit here. So originally when I hung these photos, I put them too low, and a lot of times I hang stuff too low because I am short. I'm only 5'2". So whenever I stood back in the doorway, I realized, wait, it looks awkward. It was way too low for the space. And I had to keep in mind that Cole is a lot taller than I am, and I didn't want him to like look down at his own photos. So I had to go back in and lift those up a little bit.
So many times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore, although a stranger in this continent, I'm always in bloom for you.
Here I'm just adding some picture wire to the back of this map. I found this map at Ollie's for $20 and it is super cool. I wish I would have gotten a better up close picture or video of this because it has like this really neat texture to it. So as soon as I saw it, I thought of him. I was like, oh, this is perfect. He loves traveling and he loves maps. His whole house, he's got maps like all over his house. So I thought this would be perfect for the space. So I'm just going to hang this up. I used the picture wire, a nail, and the level to make sure everything was nice and even. Now moving to the wall above the dresser, I will be hanging this round mirror. I got this mirror for $20 from Walmart. It's part of the Black Friday deal, and I was so excited when I saw this because I knew it would be perfect for above his dresser. To be honest, I was kind of thinking like, what am I going to do above the dresser? I was thinking about a shelf originally, but then you just have to buy more decor for it, so it would have been more expensive. So using the mirror just really just finished this space, and it also helps bounce the light from the windows to this wall and just makes the whole room feel so much bigger. So I'm going to get that mirror hung up and then style the dresser. The struggle of hanging a mirror like this on the wall, it's something serious. I was really struggling. Okay, so now that I finally got the mirror, oh my gosh, the mirror on the wall, I'm going to go ahead and put a picture in this frame. So the day that I found the mirror, I knew right away visually that I wanted to have a photo frame leaning up against the mirror on the dresser. I thought it would look so pretty to have like another piece of art on the dresser. So I printed off this random photo online. It was a free download. So once again, I added that 8x10 to the center of the frame and then added a poster board on top of that to create a larger matted area. I just love the way that looks. Y'all notice that every frame I buy is matted. Like I just love a matted frame. It looks so pretty to me. So I'm going to get that all put together and then style the dresser. So Cole already had some pretty cool books on hand, so I grabbed a few of those that he had, added this globe that I got from a thrift store for $7.99, and then I'm going to lean that picture that I just put together right behind it onto the mirror and add this black bowl that I also purchased at a thrift store. It's actually for seasonings is what I was told, but it works out perfect as a catch-all area for like his wallet, keys, maybe some change, and then I added a fiddle leaf plant to the other side of the dresser. While I was decorating the dresser, I ended up taking the curtains down and throwing them in the dryer with a wet hand towel. I put them on a low setting just to fluff them to get some of the wrinkles out, and it worked really well. I'm actually still on the hunt for a good steamer. I really want to have one, not only for like projects like this, but to have if like we have wrinkles in our clothes, it would be nice to have one. But the one I ordered on Amazon was out of stock, so it canceled my order, and Walmart is sold out of the cheap ones, and I am just not going to spend $100 on a steamer. So if you have an affordable option that you have purchased that works well, feel free to leave it down below in the comments. You know, we all appreciate recommendations around here. Alright, so it is now time for the before and afters. So this is what the room looked like before I got started, and this is what it's looking like now.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night.
Alright y'all, so that is going to be it for this bedroom transformation. I am so happy with the way this room turned out, and Cole absolutely loved it. I wish I would have gotten his reaction, but as he was getting home, I was actually leaving, so I already had everything kind of packed up and ready to go. So I missed the reaction, but he loved it, and that was what mattered most. I am super proud of it too. At such a low budget, I feel like the space looks so good, so much more modern, sophisticated, more age appropriate for him. And yeah, I'm just beyond proud of this space. So the total cost was $360, and that included all the decor that I brought into the room. So the bedding, the rug, the curtains, the curtain rods, you name it, everything was $360. And then a huge shout out goes to Sienna Sleep for giving us a new mattress and headboard and frame. That helped so much with the way the room looked as well. So if you are in the market for a new mattress, make sure you check out siennasleep.com. I will also have their link at the top of my description box below. Just a hair? Right, stop right there. Yeah, just go. Look what you feel.
Get it. Yeah. Who got that from who? Absolutely.
Look what you feel. You like the bed?
Love it.
Oh, by the way, on the back here, here's a zipper. And all of this stuff fits in the back of this.
Seriously?
So when you go to move, it opens up real small.
Yeah.
Look, there's like a zipper on the back of it.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, that's awesome.
I know, I love it. It's genius. I mean, how nice is that?
What would you say it wasn't for? Be honest. I mean, shoot it to me straight.
I would just say, like,
Not college bachelor pad. Like, I mean, what was it?
got it. That was it.
That was it. And that's what it was.
Yeah.
So maybe now this is a new.
This is like sophisticated Cole.
Okay.
Like you're doing better.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel like I need
Sophisticated.
a book on my nightstand.
I'm getting, oh yeah, I'm about to put this Bible over there for
There you
you.
go. Aww. Yeah, Lynn. Yeah.
Close that.
Oh my god, it does. This is the comforter.
Yeah.
It's so nice. It's comfortable. Yeah, you guys are incredible, man. This is, like I said, this doesn't happen at all. Yeah.
I didn't know if I should do the lighter gray on the bottom or the darker gray.
And what they come through?
You always
To
gotta
make your
have one
bed.
at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, it's to make it look fluffy and
Yeah, don't use it.
soft. No,
It's
just for looks.
Okay, I've never seen this.
Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Sienna Sleep. I will have their links down below in the top of the description box below.